My dear friends, I want to ask you this question. What do you do when somebody has sinned against you? Ano ang unang ginagawa mo kapag merong nagkasala o nakasakit sa iyo? Our first reaction is to get angry. Amen? That is automatic for all of us. That is our natural reaction. When somebody has sinned against us, we get irritated, we get angry. But be careful when you get angry to people who have hurt you, because you might also hurt others. And when you have anger in your heart, you also hurt yourself. Amen? May tao kapag galit, nakakapanakit. May tao kapag nasaktan, kinikimkim ang galit. Basta't pag may sama ka ng loob, walang mabuting bungayan sa iyo o kaya naman sa iba. May napakaganda pong kasabihan galing po sa Africa, and I want you to remember this. It says, you don't need to destroy the whole beehive just because you were stung by one bee. O nga naman po, no? Kung ikaw ay nasaktan dahil sa isang bubuyog, hindi mo kailangan na sirain o patayin yung buong bahay o tahanan ng ibang mga bubuyog. Pero yan talaga